Hello everyone, welcome back to Gidroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram stories are not uploading, or it is stuck at posting, or upload failed error which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround and let's cross check. The first one is all about when you're having this particular trouble. The first one is all about we have to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. Right now, have both turned off the cellular data as well as the Wi-Fi. So whenever you are trying to upload something to the Instagram, make sure that you are either connected to the cellular data, or you are having the cellular data, or you are either connected to the Wi-Fi. Once after the Wi-Fi or internet connection is fine, you are having a good internet connection, you can go over here in the Instagram, and once after this you can try posting something and there is no issue with this and will not be having any kind of trouble. So this is the first one. Next one, after trying with this, if you are still having the issue, you can try with the next one is all about, it is nothing but we can offload Instagram app. That is what we have to do. For this, we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here, we have to go to the general. Now go to the iPhone storage. Now from here, we will be getting all the apps installed on this particular iPhone. So you can go over here and I'll be showing you how to offload the Instagram app. So once after this, just keep scrolling down and navigate to the Instagram. Now from here, there is an option called offload app. You can go for offloading the app. Once after this, you have to reinstall it back. You can try installing it back. Most probably when you do the offload app, it worked for many users. I found this even in the Reddit. For many of the users, when they offload the app, it worked for them like a charm. So you can try with offloading the app. Still, after trying with this, you are having the issue with the Instagram. Whenever you are trying to upload this, it's not working. You can try with log out your Instagram account and log in back. I don't know how, but it worked for few users as well. So just go over here in the Instagram. Now from here, tap over here in this bottom icon. Now tap on hamburger at the top right. Now from here, you can go to settings over here. Now scroll down and navigate to, there is an option called log out. So you have to go for log out. Once after this, you have to log in back. You have to give the respective password and credentials. You have to log in back, and that will be working fine for you guys as well. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you are having a lot of trouble and it's not fine with this, then the next one is all about you have to check whether you are having any kind of Instagram update or not. For this, we just need to go over here, go to the App Store. Now from here, once you get into the App Store, search for Instagram. You can search for Instagram. Just search Instagram over here. Now from here, if you search for Instagram, you will be getting the Instagram, and if you're having any kind of update option, just tap on the update button and wait for this to get updated. Afterwards, see, and most probably this will be working fine. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you're having an issue with Instagram stories are not uploading, or it is stuck at posting, or upload failed error, which is happening for many of the users. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.